What is up, guys? Ethan here, back to another video. Today I have a very special video for you guys. So I was in Paris, as you guys may or may not know, and I wasn't able to shoot any videos because I had my camera, right? I was planning to shoot videos, and then it turned out that my SD card didn't fit into my computer, and there are absolutely no USB-C to SD card ports. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm back in Boca, finally, and over there in Paris, I was able to get some very special shoes that I'm happy to share with you guys. Before we start, remember to like this video, comment your opinions or any questions, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, follow me on Instagram at ethan.xf for some giveaways, sick pictures, and other cool shit. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so I was able to score the Friends and Family Fear of God 1 raids, which is very surprising. They were just sitting at a department store in Paris. I was like, what, how do you get these here? But here they are, classic Fear of God 1 box, and you also have the tag here. Here's a little closer pic because you can't really read from here. It's size 12.5, which surprisingly I don't even know why they only had that size, but it's the best size because in the other colorways it goes for the most. The tans just sold for like $400 something on StockX, so I'm really happy to have gotten these because of course this is Friends and Family colorway. No one has them on YouTube. It's just no one even on Twitter. Like I haven't seen anyone post about them or anyone get their hands on them. Like everyone has the regular Air Fear of God 1 highs in like the sand colorway, but no one in the summertime sale, but like with the white thing, no one has these. I've seen Colin Kaepernick wear them on Complex. They featured them on there. Lorenzo was posting a few pictures about them, but other than that, like, it's a gem. I don't even know how they were just sitting there. But unboxing, this is like the first time I'll see them in detail because I wanted to save my reaction sort of thing for you guys. So I open up, it's just like every other Fear of God box, nothing special. And just like the other pairs, it comes with a spare white lace, which is like a rope lace, all white. That would probably contrast really nicely. But when you buy them, they have the black laces on. So this pair was modeled after the original Fear of God, or the original Air Raids, and it's the same colorway, pretty much, just put into Jerry Lorenzo's version in the Fear of God collaboration. It's actually all suede, right? So here on the Fear of God raids in like the other colorways, in the sand and in the black, they're leather on this part and then suede here. But here it's actually suede all on like the shoe, and then besides like the laces and the strap. But it feels a lot more premium with the entire shoe in suede. Absolutely beautiful, and it's just really cool because this is such an exclusive shoe. The people that were selling them to me told me that there were only 200 given out to Friends and Family. I don't know how they got them, and it wasn't even like a resale store. It was just some regular luxury department store. Very surprising, but I paid $500 for them. They were definitely backdooring them. If you want to buy them, also you could hit me up, ethan.xf on Instagram, Cook Groups on Twitter. It's not even that like the shoe is so special. It's just that it's so exclusive and so different. Like, no one has these. No one has these. I saw Colin Kaepernick wear them. That's it. Like, and Jerry Lorenzo. Like, I haven't seen anyone else post them. There were only 200 in the world, so it's an incredibly exclusive opportunity to be able to buy these. Really, this shoe doesn't exist. It's like, it's a ghost. I haven't seen it anywhere. I know that it's in the game, in the NBA game, but that's it. And, yeah, so, pretty cool shoe. Quick montage. I'm not gonna put them off feet because they don't fit me. But yeah, pretty cool.